Hello friends. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can cancel your Astria AI subscription via email, Twitter, or Discord group in just some easy steps. So let's get started. Make sure complete all steps, otherwise you will not able to cancel your subscription. Friends, here are some easy steps to cancel your Astria AI subscription. Please note, you can cancel your Astria AI subscription by sending your cancellation request to their team via email, Twitter, or on their Discord group. Method 1. How to cancel Astria AI subscription via email. All important links we will provide you in our video description box. Step 1. Open your Gmail application on your mobile or laptop. Step 2. Compose a proper cancellation email by typing request to cancel the subscription in the subject field. Step 3. Include your intention to cancel the subscription in the body of the email. Step 4. Include subscription details and your contact information. Step 5. Send that composed cancellation email to support@astria.ai. Method 2. How to cancel Astria AI subscription via Discord. You can cancel your Astria AI subscription by sending a message to their team on Discord. Their team member will take consideration for cancelling your subscription and will cancel the subscription for you. Method 3. How to cancel Astria AI subscription via Twitter. You can cancel your Astria AI subscription by sending a cancellation message to their service team on Twitter. Astria customer support service team is pretty much active on their Twitter handle. You can send a direct message to their team on Twitter about cancelling the subscription. Through text messages, they will ask questions about your subscription and then finally cancel your Astria subscription. Only by using these 3 methods you can cancel Astria AI subscription. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.